Hello, my dear Moodlers. This is the Reverian who is back. So now I'm on the page of managers, and I'm going to explore Moodle tools in the manager practice area MPA. So we have to click here. I will click here, and I have the page for managers, the manager practice area. And first, I have to turn editing on. I click on it here, and we'll see what is in this area. So here we have some panels. We have the central panel, we have the left panel, and we have the right panel. And in the left panel we have, and here we have the menu. We have the menu here, and in the left panel we have some blocks. Now we have the navigation block, we have the administration block. In the right one we have the poll block, and where we have to add some blocks. So now this is my page, and I can add some blocks here. And for example, I can add an activity block. It will come here, you see, and I can add another one, which is the calendar block, and this one will come here. You see that you can add many blocks. So it means that here, once you want to delete a block, you will click on the setting icon here, and you will see that you can delete the poll block here, like this, and you will confirm. You will confirm here. Again, you can see this this symbol is about to move the block. Suppose you have this calendar here at the right panel. You can click on it, and you can drag until you get you reach the left one, and you can see that you have the calendar in the left pan. But now you see that in the left pan it's not convenient. You can move again. It means that I have to go back, you see. And thank you very much. You see here we have the edit. You can edit this section, but it's not for me to edit that one. And I think that this is all that I can present right now. And I thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon.